Alright.
So I can't get out.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So, today's going to be a great day. First, I'm going to hit the gym nice and early, and then I'm going to do something interesting with a friend of mine, Andre. We're going to be going down car dealerships, asking if they need photography. It's going to be an interesting day, so stay tuned.
I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool. But if I fall, I would get up again.
Alright, what's going on, guys? So I just finished my gym sesh. It sounded pretty weird. So now I'm gonna go home, shower, get ready. So we're gonna go up and down the highway, see if we can do a little experiment to see if we can do some photography for some cars and see if we can make some money from that. Just as a nice, experiment. Trying to help you guys out with trying to start up a small business, perhaps. So yeah, stay tuned. Let's go home. All right, so I just got done showering. Friend's gonna be here in a little bit, and we're gonna go get ready. We're gonna go down the highway, take some pictures, see if we can do this as a business, and we'll see what happens. Stay tuned.
But I get up, I always do. I never think, I always do. Never thought I wouldn't jump. Oh, what a fool.
I know we're in September, but it's like 60 degrees out, and it's freezing. What's up, big guy? Oh, my laptop.
So stupid.
Alright, guys, so we are at BMW right now, and one good thing to have before you walk into these places is some examples. Like, I have my Real Estate Wealth Expo video. My Instagram is pulled up on my laptop. My company Instagram is also pulled up on my laptop. So, you want to have these videos and content up and ready so that if they ask for it, you could just present it to them right away. There's a ton of dealers down this highway, so we're going to see how this goes. Hopefully we can get Porsche, BMW, like the German brands, but we'll see how this goes. Could we speak to a general manager, please?
He's actually not in at the moment.
Okay.
What can I help you with?
We're looking to do some car photography for you guys for your Instagram or your sales pages on your website. Who would be the best person to call?
I can get you another one of my managers if you can give me one moment.
That's fine. Yeah, take your time. Thank you.
I always do. I never think, I always.
All right?
Thank you so much.
You're very welcome. You as well.
Not a bad. All right. First rejection of the day. So we got their number because they're all busy right now. We got their cards, so we're gonna go down to, what's the next one? Mini Cooper? Mini Cooper's like right there, so we're gonna go down there. Hey, how are you guys? Could we speak to the general manager, please? Thank you. How are you? Nice to meet you. I'm David Belgian.
David.
Andre. Nice to meet you. So we're just looking around to see if you guys are looking for car photography for your Instagram, Facebook, for your website as well.
Haven't done any of that in that fashion, but we take pictures of cars. We have a company that takes pictures of cars.
Okay.
That they do our used cars and all that stuff. So that's what they do. Outside of that, I wouldn't. Right in this moment, no. But maybe in the future, something's gonna change. Maybe give me a phone number of cars or something like that. I can reach back to you guys.
Give me two of them.
Oh,
There you go.
no problem.
All right. Thank you so
Maybe
much.
we can find it. Thanks for stopping by.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Alright, so another rejection.
Not a bad one either.
Not a bad one.
Nice
though. He was thinking about it. But he already had a company that does the photography for him. So where are we going now? All right, we're just gonna head down the highway, see what we can get, and move from there. Yeah, maybe Kia or Alfa Romeo or something. All right, so Subaru's here. If we can get a WRX, I'm gonna be so happy. You know how to drive manual?
I can try. No.
All right.
How are you?
How are you?
Andre, hi, Clayton.
David.
Nice to meet you guys. We actually have guys in the auto group already.
For some reason, everyone's got a company that does it for them. Which, I mean, kind of expected. Keep trying, keep trying. All right, we're at Kia right now. Keep this low key. Hey, how are you guys? Can you speak to the general manager, please? Photography for cars. You already have someone that does it? All right, sounds good. Thank you. Another rejection, let's go.
Rejection. I love it. You know what? Don't give up on your dreams, kids.
Shut up.
Don't give up. Dunkin' Donuts. America runs on Dunkin'. I'm recording my.
If you guys need photography for cars, for any of the cars on the lot.
It's Josh that I'm going to give these to.
Josh?
The GM.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Yeah, you're welcome. Good luck, guys.
All right. Rejection number
4, 5, 6, 7.
something like that. Yeah. So apparently, one of the dealers more north by where we came from owns owns like 8 dealers.
8 dealerships.
I don't know which one. She didn't say, but like.
No, I think it's Dodge. It's
No,
like
Dodge. Like which ones they own.
Oh yeah, which
Here,
ones?
hold this?
Well, no. But 8.
That's a lot.
Yeah, that guy is making billions.
Oh, hold this camera.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's a lot. So, all right. I'm assuming Maserati has a guy that does it, just because I've talked to him before. So, I mean, we could try it. It's worth the shot.
Absolutely. Never give up on your dreams, kids.
Shut up. Shut up. Got some quads here? What's going on?
Oh.
What's going on, Volvo? Sweet. Thank you so much. This is... Okay, that's you? Or that's me. Okay. Thank you so much. Alright, another rejection. We got a card, though, so it's okay. We're doing good. We're doing good. What do you think?
It's not bad. I mean, we knew that like most companies, because like famous areas, like most companies have already companies doing it for them.
Yeah.
But you know what? It doesn't hurt.
Yeah,
like,
no.
Shoot your shot. If you don't shoot, you never score. You know what I mean? So like, what?
So cliche.
Okay, but it's look.
No, you're
it's
right.
cliche, but it's 100% right. If you don't shoot your shot, you'll never score.
Look at this angle.
Oh yeah, what the hell is this? Terrifying.
Oh
what
God.
the hell is this?
Alright, what's next?
Alright. Where are we going next?
It's fine.
Porsche.
Porsche?
Yeah.
No, there's
Oh, Nissan, yeah. Oh, Nissan, yeah. Go Nissan.
Is this the new Nissan?
Yeah, hell yeah.
The new
The
Nissan.
new Maxima.
Oh my God! Wow. They revamped the Maxima.
How you guys doing?
Hey, how are you? I'm David Balger.
Nice to meet you.
All right, so we got some information.
Really nice manager. Gave us some information.
Very nice. Gave us some good, helpful.
Don't waste our
information.
time.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? That's good. I hate wasting time. You guys.
So they gave us a piece of paper that gives us all the information.
Probably gotta blur it half of it.
Yeah, all the information that states which car dealers are owned by a big company for photography. So that's gonna help us out a lot. I'm thinking we should go to like used car dealerships. You know what I mean? We can find some. Probably on.
That's it.
Probably on.
Probably the one that you always went. The one before.
Which one?
Chopper.
The one by me? Well, the one by me is a recent client of mine.
Yeah, exactly.
That one?
Yeah.
Do that one, maybe. We'll see. Alright guys, stay tuned. Alright guys, so we're at Porsche right now. This is going to be a tough one because it's like a branch owned by a company, Jack Daniels. So we're going to see how this goes. What's up?
If you don't know who Jack Daniels is, you're living under a rock. I'm sorry.
Yeah.
Like, they own literally every big Mercedes, BMW. They
Yeah.
own like all the big companies. So probably hard, but you know what?
We're going to see how it
Shoot
goes.
your shot.
Evan, Gemma, nice to meet you. Evan, Gemma, nice to meet you guys and give you a shot.
Would we be able to just build our portfolio with one car, maybe take it up the street over here and do a little bit of pictures, and you guys can have it for free if you want?
Well, I can't let you take the car, but 23 is not good money for us, yeah.
Could we have someone that comes with us if they're not busy? Or?
You know what? I got some. What do you want to shoot?
Can
What did you have in mind?
What do you think? What's
We'll walk around, see if
Okay.
there's anything.
Perfect.
You know, we're anything around the lot, whatever.
Hey, how are you? I'm David Dowdy.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you guys.
Something that they might want to shoot or they think that might look good and
Yeah,
pull it off. And,
Turbo S, whatever you want.
Yeah, you know what? Can we take this one? Yeah, sweet. Thank you. All right, guys. So they just told us to pick any car from the lot. I don't know if you guys can hear me right now, but they said pick any car from the lot to take pictures. We're gonna do it for free to build a profile and give it to them, and see what we can do. So let's get it rolling.
It's a big dealership. It's Porsche.
This is
You know, it's a Porsche dealership. You think it's gonna be intimidating to go in and like ask them, but yo, they're the nicest. And
They really are. They really are.
They are the nicest, and yo, they gotta let you film. He's like rolling shots. I didn't bring my Ronin S.
Yeah.
Bro, if they let us in like one more time, yo, let's take a car and do like a rolling shot around here. Like
That'd be
Ronin
perfect.
S. I'm like,
Perfect.
yo, need some.
Oh my god!
Oh
Somebody
my
ripping it.
God.
This is gonna be insane.
What is this, the fires?
No, it's
You want to take the back or the front?
Yeah, I'll take it back.
Oh my god! All right.
So I can't get out.
Yeah, these cars are so stable, you can do anything with them.
Yeah, I felt it.
Yeah, like everyone thinks Mustangs and Camaros are like really fast.
Yeah.
Even though they have more, like this has less horsepower, but it's
Yeah.
just you can do more with it.
Like in
Wow.
the back, there's no space, so you feel it so much.
It's
didn't
not
even-
really meant to have back seats. I don't know
No.
why they have back seats.
I didn't even have my seatbelt on, and I was like, I'm fully secured. Like I didn't have a problem with it. All right, so
Oh, it's just
No, it's this thing right here. You gotta fix
Oh.
it.
I'm used to like one.
all right, let's cue the shots. All right, you want to tell them how that went?
I cannot even explain. I'm worried about my camera. My camera got dropped. I have the
So-
video. You know how my
Yeah.
you know my camera how it shoots wide angle.
Yeah.
I shot it wide angle so you can see the whole thing, even the dashboard, everything. Amazing.
All right, so you guys saw the shots. We asked them. They said that they already have a guy that's doing it for them. So we said, okay, can we just do it for free? You know, to build our portfolio, and you guys can have the pictures as well. He said, yeah, go for it. And he's like, all right, we're gonna hook you up with a guy. It was like perfect. We weren't allowed to drive the car just because we have to be 23. So they gave us a guy. He was pretty young. He was like in his 20s. He's like, pick any car you want. And I'm like, all right, perfect. So we took a 911 Carrera 4 GTS, and he was just ripping it around. We got some videos. I couldn't put the drone in the air. I forgot the battery at home.
Take a look at yourself.
I was pretty successful. Gonna build our brand name with that stuff, and I don't know what else I'm gonna do today. Probably do some homework and stuff. So yeah, thank you guys. Stay tuned. All right, what's going on, guys? So just dropped off Andre. He's got to go to work. Yeah, I mean, look, you know, there's always a lesson to learn from this, right? Like, even if we did it for free, it's good because we built our portfolio. You know, we built our name to them, so if they ever need something, they have our business cards, and they'll remember us, right? So, you know, if we put together a small video, even just give it to them for free, perfectly fine, because then they'll see how well, ooh, M4 and Alpina B7 BMW. So, like I was saying, like, they'll remember us for later if they ever need someone. And you know, Jack Daniel's Porsche has always been, you know, great people, and I'll throw their tag in right now. But yeah, you know, go check them out if you're in the New Jersey area, and you know, they've always been nice people, like I said. So the manager was very, very nice. He literally just told us, pick any car that you want. We could have taken a 911 you know, GT3. They didn't have them in stock though. But yeah, we took the Carrera, which was really good. And yeah, I mean, you know, today was a great day so far, so I'm gonna go get some work done, and I'll check back with you guys in a little bit. Time for some work.
Get up again.